The floor plan of a proposed 2-bedroom semi-detached, 2 numbers, and self-con. The room and parlor self-contained. Semi-detached, 2 numbers. Proposed project. As you can see, work in progress. Setting out the foundation trenches with block. It has been set out. It has been set out with pieces of block. Work in progress. This is the foundation of the semi-detached room and parlor self. This is the word that divides it. You want to know how to do set out with block. How to do set out with block. You can contact Income. As you can see, this is the 2-bedroom semi-detached. As you can see, it has been set out with block, perfectly square, using line and hub. For more updates, check the next video. The site environment. As you can see, go back. Continue back. As you can see, this is on the plan. This is the area left for parking of cars and all. And this is the building area. The 2-bedroom, semi-detached, 2 numbers. Location Ibadan. Location Ibadan. This is the sitting room. The lobby to the toilet over there. Over there. This is the kitchen. And over there, the last bit there is the bedroom. So the prototype is over there. Guys, like, comment, subscribe. As you can see, the corner, see how it has been stepped. See how it has been stepped based on the slope of the floor. This is on the topography of the land. See how it has been stepped. It has been dig 675. It has been dug 675. Almost 3 blocks here in foundation. See how it has been stepped. As you can see here, maintaining the same level. It is dug with plumb and range. So check the next video for blinding and blocking foundation setting.